Selecting the right colors, patterns, and textures for your shower walls can significantly influence the overall ambiance and functionality of your bathroom. This choice not only affects the aesthetic appeal of the space, but also its maintenance requirements and the psychological impact on its users. To choose colors, patterns, and textures for your shower walls, consider the space's size, lighting, and desired ambiance. Opt for harmonious combinations that reflect your style while ensuring maintenance and longevity. Balance is key for a cohesive look. In this guide, we'll explore how to make informed decisions that align with your taste and the latest design trends. Colors play a pivotal role in designing any space, especially when it comes to shower walls in a bathroom. The choice of color not only affects the aesthetic appeal, but also influences the mood and perception of the space. The temperature of the color palette can dramatically alter the feel of a bathroom. Warm colors, such as reds, oranges, and yellows, evoke feelings of warmth and comfort, making the space feel cozy and welcoming. Cool colors like blues, greens, and purples tend to have a calming effect, making the bathroom feel more spacious and serene. Color psychology plays a significant role in interior design. Colors can influence our emotions and how we perceive space. For example, blue is often associated with tranquility and cleanliness, making it a popular choice for bathrooms. The color of your shower walls can also affect how large or small the bathroom appears. Lighter colors and shades can make a small bathroom feel larger and more open, as they reflect more light. The ultimate goal of selecting the right color for your shower walls is to set the desired mood for your bathroom. Incorporating patterns into your shower space can dramatically alter its appearance and feel, contributing significantly to the bathroom's overall design. Patterns add depth, interest, and personality, transforming a mundane area into a visually appealing sanctuary. Geometric patterns, characterized by their clean lines and shapes, can introduce a modern and sophisticated touch to shower walls. For those looking to create a serene and calming bathroom environment, natural patterns are an excellent choice. Mosaic tiles offer endless possibilities for creating unique patterns and designs in shower spaces. Creating an accent wall with a bold pattern is another way to enhance shower spaces. When incorporating patterns into shower spaces, it's important to consider the scale and proportion of the pattern about the size of the space. The texture of your shower walls can significantly influence both the aesthetic appeal and the tactile experience of your bathroom. Texture in shower spaces can affect not just the look, but also the feel of the environment. Ceramic and porcelain tiles. These materials offer a wide range of textures, from smooth and polished to rough and matte. Natural stones such as slate, marble, and granite bring an organic, tactile element to shower walls. Glass tiles can add depth and luminosity to a shower space. Concrete offers a minimalist, industrial texture that has gained popularity in contemporary bathroom design. Incorporating multiple textures into a shower space can elevate the sensory experience. Mastering the art of combining colors, patterns, and textures in shower spaces can transform a simple bathroom into a stunning retreat. Achieving visual harmony is the cornerstone of combining colors, patterns, and textures effectively. Start with a color scheme. Begin by selecting a color palette that will guide your choices for patterns and textures. Balance patterns and textures. When incorporating patterns, consider their scale and how they relate to the size of your shower and bathroom. Selecting the right colors, patterns, and textures for your shower walls involves a blend of aesthetic considerations, functional requirements, and personal tastes.